launched on PSX, the Mahana Islamic Index ETF, which is managed by Mahana Wealth Limited. And this is although it's as she Raida mentioned, the 9th ETF to be listed, but I believe this is unique and it's the first one that is being listed. Products. So I would like to acknowledge Lodi Saab also, and the other members of the Halda Saab, Madam, for their support in bringing this to the market.
Then we had a detailed discussion with the predecessors, Amir Ali Khan, who is not present here. So these two gentlemen started the concept of the regulatory sandbox, and it has continued. One common person all across the journey is Khalda Habib, the executive director, and now the responsibility rests with Mushtaba Ahmad Lodi, the commissioner. So we at SECP strongly believe as an institution that we need, if we have to, we have refocused, and for us it's the investor which is the king, and we have to look at everything from the investor's prism. Starting with onboarding, I think that's one criticism, and I think rightly highlighted by the most painful point by Shamoon is the onboarding. I'm not saying that we are there, but we need to work on it and make it all across as simple as ABC, as the saying goes. People should be actually 5 minutes is too much, but nevertheless it sets the benchmark, and we have to move forward in terms of reducing the time.